Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarela, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Today we're going to learn what is Acanthosis nigricans. Remember, Acanthosis nigricans is a skin condition, right? And it is development of dark velvety patches and thickening of the skin in the intimate areas and as well as around the neck. So this is nothing but Acanthosis nigricans. It's most commonly seen in a lot of diseases, but since PCOS is well versed, many people are suffering with PCOS. The statistics of PCOS are more these days. Many people who are suffering with PCOS usually do suffer with Acanthosis nigricans also. It is nothing but a skin condition which has dark velvety patches. So let us know today what are the signs and symptoms of Acanthosis nigricans. The first and foremost thing you have to remember is that the skin gets really darker and it gets thicker. That's important. Dark, thick and leathery, or you can say velvety kind of skin. As you can see here, this is the neck part. You can see that there is darkening of the skin. You can see how dark the skin is. It is patchy. It is not like there is uniform darkness here, right? It is dark. It is patchy in nature, and not only that, you will have thicker skin. Okay, the area is thickened. So this is the basic sign and symptom. Apart from this, you will also understand that Acanthosis nigricans can occur anywhere in the body, especially the flexure region. So what are the regions that usually have or show this Acanthosis nigricans? The primary one being the neck region, which is most common around the world. People experience darkening around the neck region, either in the front side or in the back of the neck. Indians show this darkening or Acanthosis nigricans mostly in the back of the neck. It's really rare to have even darker skin or thickened darkened skin in the front part of your neck, right? And apart from that, they also show darkening in the armpits, the belly button, which is literally rare unless and until it is occurring in Cushing syndrome. And also you will have darkening in the elbow areas and also darkening in the intimate area along with the groin region, right? So many people do suffer from the common site, like the most common site in the common sites is the neck region, and the next one is the axilla region and the intimate region. These three are most commonly found. If you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation option, and the second one is the in-person or the offline consultation option. If you're someone who's staying near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. After the doctor consultation has been taken place and the investigations are verified and the case is completely taken and grasped from you, especially to the online clients, the medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, anywhere across the globe, we can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to get in touch with us or contact us, you can call us, WhatsApp us or messages on the number which is given here. Apart from that, if you still want to know about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, you've understood how homeopathy is a better choice for lifestyle disorders. And here we are discussing why Fidelis Homeopathy is much better choice in homeopathic field. Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we are following three principles. The first being that we are already dealing cases with PCOS, PCOD, Acanthosis nigricans, hirsutism, hair fall, bulky uterus, fibroids, adenomyosis, endometriosis, cervical erosion, and we are having very high success rate in treating them. Apart from that, the treatment here at Fidelis Homeopathy is transparent, which means there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The doctor will clearly explain to you the prognosis of the case, right? And then we have personal care here at Fidelis, which is top notch. All your queries, all your questions will be answered. We will be educating you on your disease. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidelis Homeopathy.